What's going on, guys? It's Young Gamer J here, and this is my first video on this channel, and it's gonna be a Pixel Gun review video. So today the gun that I'm gonna be reviewing is going to be in the sniper category. It's gonna be the charge rifle, and it was added in the new update, the 10.6.0 or point 1, I forgot, but one of those updates. So yeah, let's just go join a match. Oh wait, let's look at the stats. Right, so this is one of the new features that Pixel Gun added, which is the charging shot, which is the longer you hold the fire button, the more damage it will give to the opponent. And yeah, it has a 10 times zoom. Its efficiency is 23, the fire rate is 79, capacity is 100. And that may sound a lot, but when you charge it up, I'm not quite sure. I think it's around 50. No, not 50. I don't know. But yeah, the mobility is 110. So yeah, let's go join a match. And let's test out this gun. I'm gonna go to team fight. Let's see. Let's go sniper force. Oh wait, before we do that, I'm gonna put on my sniper gear. Whoops. Cape, sniper cape, and sniper boots. Actually, I want double jump. So yeah, let's get into the sniper forts. I don't actually use this weapon a lot because it's kind of hard to use because you have to charge it up, and yeah, it's my preference. So let's start. There's a lot of people. I'm gonna snipe them from this side. As you can see at the bottom, there's that charging. Oops, somebody shot me. You have to charge it up, that's the annoying part. Double kill headshot. Reload. Alright. And it's also hard to go in close combat with this gun, because you need to charge it up, obviously. So I'm just gonna stay in my base and just snipe people. This is a one-shot headshot kill if you do to the max charge, I think. Or a body shot, I don't know. But this one's upgraded, so yeah. Wow, they killed me with that gun. Wow, that's embarrassing. Missed that one. That was a body shot. This gun's actually pretty good. Can take body shots, but I prefer the anti-hero rifle though. So yeah. It has a 10 times zoom. And yeah. I'm gonna try getting to the other side. Headshot, baby. No scope. Oh, dang it. I'm jumping so low. Don't have my other gear on. And as you can see, I also can tap the shoot button to shoot fast, but it doesn't really load damage, so yeah, wouldn't want to do that. Whoa. Oh, I fell down. Wow, that always happens to me. Let's get this guy. Oh, somebody got him. Oh, shoot. Oh, that person fell off, I'm pretty sure. Yep. Oh my god, I'm getting wrecked. Well, at least we're winning though. And I died by this person again, like always. You can shoot pretty fast with this gun too, but it doesn't do a lot of damage if you just tap the shoot button. I got 6 kills. Pretty bad, but whatever. Let's go battle again. Actually, I'm gonna change maps. I'm gonna go to the Megalopolis map. I like that map too. It's good for snipers too, if you get on the building. I just need to change our premium weapons so I can get myself onto the roof by boosting. Where is Megalopolis? Oh, I think it's this way. There, yep. Hopefully there's people playing in here. It says few players. But that's whatever. Alright, let's go. Whoa, what? Oh shoot, I forgot to change my gear. My cape. This cape. Alright, let's go. Charge rifle. Whoa, what the hell? Oh, I hate those bullet. Oh my god, bullet bazooka spammers. I'm just gonna jump off since I have no health. I hate those bullet bazooka spammers. It's so OP. Where's everybody? There, got one. Oh, bullet bazooka, no. Run. Alright, got away from that one. And I got sniped. There we go. I think I like this gun now. It's actually pretty good. I used to hate this gun, but it's alright. Anti-hero rifle. Alright, let's snipe some more people. Oh, there's someone up there. Who's shooting at me? Oh, I'm gonna jump off. Alright. Let me get onto one of those buildings. If I can make it there. Oh shoot. Oh, there we go. What's wrong? I'm using the wrong gun. What the hell? How did I not get him? There, that's better. Oh no, we're losing. Dang it. And we lost. So yeah, this is actually a pretty good gun, guys. So I think I'm gonna end the video now. This is my first video on this channel, and hope you guys like this video, and hope I did good for my first video. And yeah, the charge rifle is one-shot headshot and sometimes a one-shot body shot, depending if you upgraded it or not, and if you're wearing like the capes and stuff. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. It's Young Gamer J. Peace out.